Sometimes in Canva, an element seems to disappear behind something else. Maybe a text box hides behind a photo or a shape sits underneath a background. It can feel confusing when everything looks out of order. This happens because every design in Canva is made of layers, just like pieces of paper stacked on top of each other. The trick is learning how to move each piece where it belongs. Start by selecting the object that needs to come forward. Once it's selected, look closely. Small handles appear around it, showing it's active. Next, right-click on that object. A small menu appears with several options. Find the one that says Layer. When the Layer menu opens, choose Bring to Front. The element now jumps above everything else in your design. If you prefer faster way, use the toolbar at the top of the screen. There is a button labeled Position. Click it and you will see a new sidebar on the left side with options like Bring Forward and Send Backward. Bring Forward moves your selected item one step up in the stack, while Bring to Front places it completely on top. It's useful when you have several layers and want full control over which one sits above the rest. For everyone who enjoys shortcuts, Canva includes simple keyboard commands. On Windows, press Ctrl and the right square bracket key. On Mac, it's Command plus right square bracket key. Each press moves the selected object one layer forward. To send something backward instead, use Ctrl plus left square bracket key on Windows or Command plus left square bracket key on Mac. When a design has many overlapping elements, there is another helpful option. Right-click again and select Show Layers. This opens the Layers panel, where all your design's elements appear in a list. You can drag each one or down to reorder them. The higher an element appears in the list, the closer it is to the top of your design. This method feels more visual and makes it easier to see exactly what's happening. Reordering layouts is more than just fixing hidden objects. It's a way to guide attention in a design. Text should usually sit above shapes or images so it stays readable. Decorative accents can sit behind main subject to frame them nicely. Once you understand layering, every design becomes more organized and intentional. Now, when an element hides behind another, there's no need to panic. With a quick right-click or shortcut, the layout stays perfectly under control. Canva's Layers tool make it simple to decide exactly what shows in front every single time.